Hi guys, welcome to the Selective Series where I go through a question from the past Selective School paper. So in this question, Gabriella says that zoos should be banned because it is wrong to keep wild animals in captivity. She says that animals should have the right to live in their natural habitats. Which of these statements, if true, most weakens Gabriella's argument? So her argument is that zoos should be banned. So we want to find an argument that says that we should keep zoos. That's the one that would most weaken it. So option A, zoos provide an opportunity for humans to see wild animals without having to go on safari. That is a reason to keep zoos. So that weakens Gabriella's argument. B, modern zoos try to ensure animals are given some exercise and stimulation. So yeah, that's kind of a reason to keep zoos, but it's not very strong compared to A. C, some wild animal species would die out completely if they were not bred in captivity. That is most definitely a reason to keep zoos. In fact, that's a very strong reason, much stronger than A. D, wild animals kept in confined spaces can display extreme distressed behavior. So that is a reason not to keep zoos. That would strengthen Gabriella's argument. So we're looking for the argument that most weaken Gabriella's argument. So we want to find the argument that says that we should keep zoos. And the strongest argument here is C, because if we don't keep zoos, some animals will go extinct. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, always keep learning.